Look at how pretty. I wanted to see his face. Oh, thank you. She is crazy. Ooh, does a coyote poop in the field?
Look at him, he's got something down there.
Oh, Riley, stop it. It's a friend of yours, isn't it?
Riley wants to get out. That dog came right up to Riley. It's that big male. He's got a territory around here.
Calm down, girl. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay.